Hello, and welcome to my instructional video on how to schedule reminders and assignment due dates on Google Calendar. Once you have logged into your Google Calendar, go to the left side bar and you can see all of the classes that you are enrolled in on Google Classroom. You can color code these so that when an assignment shows up on your calendar, you know which class it is for. Now let me show you how to create a reminder. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the Create Event link. Let's say you want to create a reminder to bring a book to school. First, you will need to title your reminder. Then, pick the day that you want to bring that book, as well as setting a time frame for when that book is needed. If you are somebody who needs a notification or a reminder, you can set that here so that you're reminded to pack up that book the day before. Now, since this book is for our science class, we can match it up with our science class on Google Classroom. Once you have added all of the information you need for this reminder, you can save it and it will now show up on your Google Calendar. There are many ways you can view your calendar. You can change this view up here at the top of the screen next to your search link. Let's say you want to create a reminder for a reoccurring event, for a club or a sport, for example. To set this reminder, you're going to click on the day that event is going to happen. Create a name and click Reminder. At the bottom of this pop-up, you can adjust this reminder so that it will show up every single week. Once saved, you can now see this reminder every single week on your calendar. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is helpful for any future scheduling you do on Google Calendar.